Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card to Cash App. So first you need to do is download Cash App from Play Store or App Store and create your account. Once you do that, simply launch Cash App on your mobile device and from there simply tap on My Cash tab. It is usually located at the bottom of your screen and it's look like a banking icon. So from there simply select linked bank or add credit card option. So depending on your version of Cash App, you will see one of this option. So you can either see linked bank option or add a credit card option. So simply click on any of them. From there, simply click link bank or add card. So if you are adding a debit card, simply select link bank, or if you are adding credit card, simply click on add card button. After this, carefully enter your card details. Make sure you have accurately input your card number, expiry date, CVV code, and your billing zip code. So once you have entered all of these details, simply review and confirm. So double check your information you have provided and then simply click on add card button. So your card will be added to your Cash App. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.